Thank you. Meron po kayong spicy na sauce?
Wala. Ay, ang hot sauce lang. Ay, yung Tabasco, kaya chili flakes.
Tabasco.
Tabasco.
Thank you. Hey guys, so this is my dinner tonight. Thank you. It's chicken, and then we have this beef fried rice na ang solid. Pag fried rice pa lang, sobrang winner na. Solid. May poached egg. And then I'm gonna get some chicken. How's your dinner going, guys? Wow. This roasted chicken from Wildflower is insane. Oh my god, ang sarap. May truffle siya. So, lagyan natin ang Tabasco. Anyway, how's life, guys? Ma'am? I was wondering if you have like any garlic or aioli sauce.
Garlic aioli.
Pwede po makahinga. Thank you. I usually cook at home, but I'm specifically craving for this. So, I treated myself outside. I would definitely say though that this chicken itself is like around 700 already, but I think it's good for 2 people at least. And then the rice is around like 300. Thank you, sir. And the service is really good. Pero ang solid ng chicken nila. Imagine chicken with truffle. And like, it's healthy. Hi guys. Oh my god. Pair it with the garlic aioli sauce. Ang sarap. High life of Shirley. What do you mean you had contact to your ex? I don't know how you did that for 2 years, girl. Hi, Mikey Asses. Hi, Zalinizg. Hi, I am Rampa. I just came back from my yoga class. It's amazing. Oh, you know what we're doing? We're doing like one of those mukbangs. Let me do one for you guys. We get a chicken. We get some rice and aioli. Sarap. This is definitely like the best on the menu of Wildflower for sure. I've been trying to be very conscious with what I eat lately, and like opting for chicken, fish, healthy stuff, grilled. I gained a little weight, but I also gained weight in the right places. So I'm taking my time though in losing it so that I don't gain it back immediately. I'm like trying to do it in a healthy way. So far, I've been loving my life here, living alone, having my own space. And then having moments like this where I'm just eating alone. Wala masyadong tao today. Enjoying the view. Yesterday I went to a white party. It was like a Brazilian party. Parang puro Brazilian doon. Actually puro, hindi, may mga Israeli din. I would say. It was pretty fun. It's been a while since like naka-attend ako ng fun na party in Manila. Usually, nabobore ako. For some reason. But yesterday it was so fun. It was a private party. I don't know how I got there. I just randomly got an invite from a friend. Hindi nga ako naka-white eh. Hi Shireen, I miss you. So, yeah, I'm just updating you guys of what's been happening. So far, so good. Ano pa ba? Very much, channeling into my singularity, and it's been nice. It's been amazing. I feel like I'm getting to know myself even more in the best possible way. Yeah. So I'm gonna go home, and for me, Sunday is work day still. I'm just gonna check some emails, edit content, check applications, do feed proposal for Staples, for like a hair salon. This is not my favorite thing on the menu. It's a Wildflower. You just can never go wrong with their chicken. So good. Kinakain ko po chicken. sarap yung chicken nila sa akin. Ayun, my apartment is looking pretty nice. I want to commit into doing more videos, but sometimes I feel lost. Yeah, mag-isa lang ako. Sometimes I feel lost because I don't know if I should, like, what suggestions do you guys have? What would the audience want? We broke up because it wasn't working. Just like any breakup. You break up because it wasn't working. Yeah, we look cute together, but like, I'm in a place where I feel like I'm dating to marry. So if there are things that I see in my partner, this is only applicable for my partner, huh? That I see in my partner, and there's no room for growth or change, or there's just really red flags that I can't look past at as someone that I will, you know, see as a husband and a father. Nah. Gone are the days where we have the we can change the mentality. I just turned 27. Like, may bago na ba? Wala po akong bago. Like, I'm so picky. And that's probably why wala akong type dito. Kasi sobrang choosy ko. Marunong ka po ba mag-Bisaya? Ambot sa imo. Saba ka diri. Anyway. And I also realized, like, now that I'm, like, you know, going out, I realized that my standards have been like high in a healthy way, because I wouldn't tolerate anything less than what I know I deserve. What's my type? Okay, my type would probably be someone attractive for my eyes, for sure. Because like, if you're gonna be with a person, might as well someone attractive for your eyes. Like, you're gonna be waking up next to this person every single day for the rest of your life. You know, gotta love what you're gonna wake up to. And you're also gonna be sleeping next to this person for the rest of your life, if you know what I mean. So it doesn't matter if this person isn't as attractive to anyone else but me. Number two, basing on my personality, someone who is decisive, because I look up to men who are good in decision making. Because for me, this person will lead the family eventually, and this person would, you know, make vital and important decisions in the future moving forward, and I need to be able to have the safety and security that this person I can rely on this person and I, you know, can trust. Ugali ba yung tanong mo? Or itsura? When you guys ask me what my type is. Thank you. You're such a confident, independent, beautiful inside and out. Wish you the best for you. Next. Ugali muna tayo. I-manifest natin to. Next is... someone who has emotional intelligence. For me, important yun. Kasi lagi na lang nanggagaling sa women yung emotional capabilities. And it's just unfair that like merong stigma of women provide emotional intelligence or emotional comfort as men only provide money and providing. Like, there are things that you need. Kunyari, bata, you're a child. There are things that you would need from both gender ng parents mo. You may be needing the strength and courage your father may have, the warmth and sympathy and empathy that your mother would have. Like may each gender and each parent has their own contribution. So I would hopefully want to end up with someone who is emotionally intelligent, so that like in the future, you know, sometimes a woman would need comfort from their husband as well, and I would prefer someone who is sensitive enough to know what to say and what to do. And especially if like our kid would need, you know, some emotional guidance from both genders. May ambag yung lalaki. Okay. Nasa pangatlo pa lang tayo, ang lalim na. Ang dami ko na agad na sinasabi. Anyway, respond naman kayo sa mga sinabi ko. No, hindi na kami nag-uusap. I usually don't talk to my exes not unless we've established and moved forward as friends. But if not, I don't talk to them. Because like, why? If hindi naman kami friends, bakit? Number 4, I would prefer someone who is capable of providing. Not to be materialistic, or I don't believe in like people saying, gold digger, whatever. I am not. It is because I work for what I have. I worked very hard. I started at a very young age working and earning, and I know that like I can provide for myself, and like the least that I would want is someone who can also like, you know, can share something to the table. Yeah. And yung may pangarap sa buhay. I would want to be with someone who has a quench for bettering themselves, not just career-wise, but also intellectually and morally. Yung parang gusto mag-improve. Ito personal preference to. because I'm a hopeless romantic, I would want to be with somebody who is sentimental. Because life is short. Life is short, and the things that we're experiencing together with your partner in your lives, like, you don't know. Example, like, you don't know when that's gonna end and when that's gonna happen again. And I would want someone who's like, you know, who appreciate and romanticizes life, so that like every day you wake up feeling so happy and so in love. Like, gusto ko yung nag-romanticize. Yung medyo delulu naman. Ay, no, I'm joking. But like, someone who sentimentally romanticizes life. And who has like, you know, passion for romance. Like, life is already so serious and stressful as it is. Like, you know, live it romantically, live it sentimentally. Like, I would want someone who appreciates special moments. Kasi I realize not everyone appreciates special moments. Like, you could be dating a guy who, like, example, you guys went out on a date, and then they couldn't even remember. You guys went out on a date, and like, this date is specifically, like, you know, special, and they couldn't even remember it, or that doesn't mean anything to them. So like, it would be nice, because like, but the only things that you're gonna have in life are memories. These are the treasures that you will forever keep in your life when you grow old. So, pag tumanda ka, when you grow old, like, you're gonna be talking to your partner about like the things you guys went through, and like reminiscing, and like, you know, just feeling grateful about the life you lived. So, if hindi sentimental yung partner mo, anong ambag niya? Ano maaalala niya? He wouldn't remember anything. Mag-isa ka lang na parang, honey, do you remember when we went to Paris and it was so romantic? Like, ikaw lang yung mag-isa. Ang sad. Yeah. So that is another one. Ang lalim ba? I don't know. I feel like I'm very specific now. Make cute. I'm very specific now with what I want. Like, it doesn't just boil down to physical, looks, money, career. It also has like something I realized. Ugali is super important as well. Like, I've always known it, but like, it should be the top priority as well, because like, remember, this is the person that's gonna instill some values for your children. Like, there are already, your English so good. Thank you. There are already so many people in this world who were born with trauma. Like, why add another human being? So, parang nakakatamad na magdagdag, pero marami pa eh. Pero ito na yung mga ibang bagay that I would want to have. Do you guys have any more questions? May natutunan ba kayo? How did you learn English? I mean, I feel like they teach you that in school, and just watching cartoons when I was younger, and also traveling, and also probably talking to people in English so much. And reading, I don't know if reading books really helped me. I don't think reading books helped me as much, but like, yeah. Anong tanong mo? What's your question? What's my regret in life? So far, I don't think I have any regrets in my life. I'm pretty content and happy with the way I live my life. Actually, meron pala. I do regret not putting myself first and not serving myself when I needed to. Yun. Because sometimes may mga moments in life where you wish you prioritized yourself. But sometimes you just think about other people so much. And siguro sometimes I've let my, temper get the best of me. Yeah. I think that I would regret. Thank you, Lyle Laurel. Thank you, Edo. Yeah, I was pretty down the other day because I was feeling a little bit overwhelmed. And I felt like at the end of the day, you may have a lot of people surrounding you, but you're the only one who has who has your back. Like your parents, your family, your friends could be there, but only to a certain extent, because at the end of the day, you're gonna sleep on your bed and you're gonna have to be responsible for your own emotions and your anxiety and your nervous system. It's all you. And I guess I just realized that even more. Sir, can I possibly have this for to go and bill out po? Thank you. I can't wait. Oh, love your mentality towards life. Thank you. I can't wait to go home and shower and then parang I want to get a massage. Why di na kayo close ng sister mo? I don't think growing up we were ever really super close. It was an on and off again kind of thing where we would get along, but most of the time we wouldn't. And I think it's probably because we grew up probably I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't want to claim anything because I obviously don't know what the other person is thinking or feeling. But maybe it's because of a competitive sibling situation. Thank you.
Card po, ma'am.
Pwede po Gcash.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, bill reveal. Bill reveal. It's 1,243. Guys, magbabayad lang ako ng Gcash. Wait, dyan lang kayo. Thank you.
Rumbled number.
Thank you. Anyway, going back. Thank you. Going back, I don't think we were, you know, we were ever really close. So, yeah. I might finish this live now in a bit because I need to go home. I want to nap. I had a long day yesterday. Yeah. Do you guys have any more questions? Last few questions before we end this live. Okay, none. Bye. Thank you for watching.